Good day everyone! Pang-anim na araw ko na po dito sa Australia as a student. So, ano-ano na nga ba yung mga documents at requirements na kailangan i-submit or i-activate dito sa Australia pagdating mo? Apart from dun sa una kong video na kailangan kumuha ng SIM card at i-activate yung insurance mo, unfortunately, since yung insurance ko is activated siya on October 9, so I cannot able to update it right away when I come here. So inintay ko pa talaga yung October 9 para lang ma-update ko siya. The same time, gumawa rin ako ng online registration lang naman siya through government website, which is yung tinatawag na TFN or tax file number. And then after that, gumawa tayo ng bank account, which is Commonwealth Bank, and online din siya, pero kailangan mo siyang puntahan kahit saang branch para mag-verify ng identity. Ang school days ko is like a Monday and Tuesday, so this is my second day of school as of now. So far so good, and there's some opportunity comes now, so maybe by next week I'm gonna be start to work. As a student, require ka lang magtrabaho like maximum 24 hours a week, or yung tinatawag nilang 48 hours per fortnight. So hindi ka pwedeng lumagpas ng like 25, 26 or more than that within a week, because ayun nga restriction nila dito. Though even holidays like term break ng school, pwede ako magtrabaho or pwede tayo magtrabaho unlimited hours. So it's up to you how many jobs you can do in a day. So yun nga, yun lang yung mga restriction nila na kailangan natin i-follow para na rin sa atin. So paano mga paps? Until next video and update na lang. Peace out!